All right, I just woke up. I'm going on a waterfall hike today. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm gonna do my run, my stretches, and my yoga poses. I'll see you in a bit. All right, now that was a run. That will surely wake you up. Getting stronger, more flexible every single day. All right, I'm going on this waterfall hike. It's absolutely beautiful here. We just began. Here we go. Going uphill now. It's been a non-stop workout day. Woo! All right, we're almost there. We gotta cross this river right over here. And once we cross this river, the waterfall is right around the corner over there. I'm with Jolanie here, who is the breathing mind over matter expert, so I'm gonna be forced to immerse myself in the freezing cold water again. Just for inquiring minds, Jolanie is just my friend. She's happily taken with another man, so it's nothing like that. What I've been learning here with Jolanie is we all have strengths and weaknesses. She helps me with my weaknesses. I help her with hers on this walk that we've been doing. But it's like that with me and all my friends and anyone I relate to. She's like a family friend of mine. So when you see someone going through distress and you've accomplished something like that, you don't want to look at them like, oh my goodness, how can they not see this? Because on the flip side, they're gonna be the strong one and you're gonna be sitting there like, help, help, help. It is completely remote here. The one bad thing about Instagram is when the videos upload when I get to internet, they're not gonna be in order. Got my water Vibram shoes on now, and then 1 foot in and here we go, across the river. It is freezing in here. Oh boy. All right, the waterfall is right around the corner over here, right there. We must walk to that rock over there. Okay, so I'm about to get in this water, freezing water with Jolanie, and once I'm in, I can stay for a good amount of time, but once I get out, I'm completely screwed and I'm freezing and I can't get back in again. I just suck at getting back in. So I must stay in for as long as I can and not tell Jolanie my weakness. Check it out. All right, I'm gonna walk on all fours all the way to that rock right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow.
Yeah, you are so rewilding back to your nature, Matt Monarch.
That's where I'm going right now. The calm after the storm. I've got to make sure Jolanie's in first because the less amount of time I be in the river, the less crazy it will be. My focus and my mindset right now so I don't shake. My body's shaking right now, but I'm trying to get out of it to where I don't shake. Mind over matter. Ugh. Normally I'd be shaking like crazy. My teeth are chittering, but I'm working on my mind over matter to stop it. And Jolanie is still in there. She's still in there. Crazy. She just doesn't stop. Okay, here we go. It's working. It's working. I'm chittering, but I'm getting through it way faster than I normally would with this focus. Still in there. Still. Jesus Christ. Minute after minute. She's talking about activating brown fat adipose, like brown fat activates heat inside, and it's actually a weight loss tool. At the perfect time of the day because the sun peers in at this time. Crap, she's asking me to come in again. I told you that's my weakness. All right, I didn't go in again, and I was looking on the video here. I was actually in for 4 minutes straight.